Hi, my name is Tracy Barrett and I'm with the Focus on Nova Real Estate team at Century 21 Redwood Realty. Welcome to 9211 Kristin Lane in Fairfax, Virginia. This beautiful 5-bedroom rambler has been updated inside and out. There is a 2018 kitchen which boasts 42-inch cabinets, the center island, and an open concept floor plan to the dining area and living room. Through this sliding door and picture windows, you can see behind you Long Branch Park, which overlooks wooded area and a small stream for you to maximize your privacy. This home features brand new 2018 luxury vinyl planking on this level and in the basement, and with fresh carpet in the bedrooms to boot. The primary bedroom has beautiful barn doors. But enough about this property, let's talk about Springbrook Forest and the Rutherford neighborhood. Just a few blocks away is Rutherford Pool, the anchor of this neighborhood, with one heck of a swim team if that's something that you're interested in. And guess what? The pool bond, number 6 ever, will convey with this property. This property sits in the Woodson High School Pyramid, Frost, and Little Run Elementary School, and is super convenient to the Mosaic District, Fairfax City, and major commuting routes like Route 236, Little River Turnpike, Braddock Road, and just a hop, skip, and a jump to the Dunloring Metro. But if you don't want to drive much at all, right around the corner is the Metro bus direct to the Pentagon. So if you have any questions about this beautiful property, contact the Focus on Nova team today. We are ready to answer any of your questions.